Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today is a very special occasion. Today on YouTube I have completed 50k subscribers. And trust me, it's not been a simple journey because you must have seen a lot of people on the YouTube. They have a very solid tech team to support them, or they themselves are youngsters who are good with computers, they are computer savvy, they know what to do. I simply had no idea. When I started 7 years back, I was a tech challenged person. Like, I had no idea how to post my YouTube video on the channel, how to record it, how to sound record, and everything. Everything was a challenge for me. You can understand, my son is about 29 years old. You can imagine, what if your mothers, I'm sure a lot of you are in the same age group, how your mothers must be challenged to make YouTube videos. And alone I was doing because I didn't have many money to afford some kind of support. But today I stand here to tell you that I'm actually very tech savvy at this time. I can challenge anybody, whosoever in the IT or technology, as far as my content creation is concerned, or as far as my pulling out the data about the stocks is concerned. Right? So objective when I started was very simple. I just wanted, to make videos and share my knowledge. Simple. And I knew stock market. The only thing that I knew was stock market. Only thing that I knew was teaching. So I wanted to educate. Now at this moment, I want to ask people right now, she's going to sell her course. I'm saying, what's the harm if I say I'm the educator, I'm the trainer in the stock market? What's the harm? I have been training people for all my life. I've never said that I'm a trader myself. And even when I trade, I post my screenshot without my name. I'm just going to show in a short while that how my profits have been and how I've posted without my name. Because I don't want you to get attracted to my screenshots of my profit. I want you to get attracted to my knowledge. I want you to be attracted to my research. Like yesterday, I gave Map My India at 1345. Today it made a high of 1378. And it looks completely good to me for moving ahead from this moment onwards. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that our objective was extremely clear. We wanted to educate people, and we kept on finding out new people kept on coming, and we kept on training people, and almost like we have trained by now almost like 10,000 people in stock market. And through YouTube, I probably must have trained 50, 60,000 people. And the journey has been very slow. The reason for that is, of course, content was good, but the presentation, the like personalized touch wasn't there. Then the corona stuck in. I couldn't really get a photographer. I couldn't get the editor. Now I have Neeraj, a young boy. You can say hello to the family. So Neeraj records and he edits my videos, and of course the content quality has gone up. There is a team who does research, a team which makes all the content and create the content, and that is what I tell them that this is what I want to present. So there is a huge support that I get from my team now, right? So those were the challenges that I was going through. But now, besides that, what I have done now, I stay in a building, but when the corona struck, I couldn't go out. I couldn't, our office was closed. So I have got another flat just where I live, and there I have made my studio. So you can have a look around the studio, from where I do my recording, where I trade from morning till evening, from where I do my research. So this is a place from where I work, and you will be able to see. It's a big spacious place. I and a single person work from morning till evening, and then in evening we record videos, and then editing is done, and then it's posted. So that is how our journey has been. But I can tell you one thing: nothing without your support, nothing without your constant encouragement. I could have not done it alone. I have never given any catchy line for my thumbnail. I've never given a clickbait. I've never given a false promise. I have never given my screenshots. I just want to show you, have a look at my personal screenshots. I will always post on my channel, but remove my name. Just have a look at the kind of profits that I have made all the time. right? But I will never post with, you know, my name. Always you will find my name will be removed because I don't want people to get attracted to the screenshots of profits. I want them to get attracted to my research. I want them to see my research. I want them to trust my research. I want you people to make money. My whole objective is extremely clear. Sometime long back I used to write my name, but now I have simply stopped writing my name because I don't want people to feel motivated by looking at my screenshot. I want you to find authentic, my research authentic. I want you people to trust me, and that is where I put all my energy. So hoping to continue honest, sincere, and dedicated videos, hoping to give you people the best of knowledge, hoping to give you the best of stock so that you can all make money. Only thing that I really request you to really share my videos with all the friends, families, all the people who want to learn. And I really feel good when women start trading. I feel that probably I'm that one person who can really encourage women to come in the stock market and trade confidently. So if you're a father, brothers, or you are a husband, please encourage your wife, your sister, your mother, and everybody to trade in the stock market because you will have a parallel income. So what next? What can you expect from StockPro? You can expect us to really, now we plan to come on live almost on a daily basis and trade live with you. That is what we are planning. Do join us to make good money and continue learning, continue earning along with StockPro. I think this is enough for today's video. And once again, guys, a heartfelt gratitude to all of you for making me what I am today. Without your support, it wasn't possible. All the best. Soon will be 1 lakh, then 1 million, then 10 million, and then 100 million. It's a long journey, but we will make it. Together, let's do it. All the best. See you in the next video.